Here we have the Topcon harness. It's pretty basic. This end is your isobus connected to the implement. In this case it's a spreader. This is your Euro connection with a third pin on it. It's the auxiliary that needs to go into the tractor for your on and off the key. This end goes into your X25 or your X35, and then obviously you've got your receiver on the roof. So let's get into it. Your return line in, and to begin with you want to make sure you're measuring the actual flow coming from the tractor. You want to get that up to 90 litres. Mount your X25 in the suitable position in the cab using the supplied mounting bracket. Deutsch plug on the end goes into the back of your X25 in this case. Euro plug plugged into the auxiliary on the tractor. We've got our GPS on the roof, and the last one is SAM Spreader to your ISO connection here. That's it, you're ready to go. Okay, so after engaging your hydraulics and ensuring that you're at 90 litres a minute, you want to set your spinner speed. You do that via this knob here, just turn that round, increase it to 850, and then most importantly after that, lock it off tight. Okay, the next step is to set your PWM. So with your hydraulics on, bring your revs up to your normal operating revs. Between 1500 and 1800 is pretty standard. Turn your belt on, it'll just turn green. You can see your spinners are going and it does a pre-start there and stops. That's perfectly normal. So is an alarm because it's stopped and it's telling you you're off. That's okay. Then you want to step through to your factory setup screen, which is here. If the password comes up, refer to your operator's manual. Then you go into channels and you've got your valve setup. Go in there. There's factory settings that we at SAM put in. This is your actual valve auto calibration for your tractor. Set your engine to normal RPMs. And then start your toggle, come up until you see the belt move. And you can see it's starting to rotate there. And if you looked at the actual mat, it's also rotating. Once you start seeing some feedback and you're seeing the belt move, toggle it down in 5s and look at the feedback. You want it to come down to 0, and normally I go a couple more just to allow for initial wear and seating of the belt. Now we want to set the maximum, so again you come up and you've got your live feedback. You want to keep going up. I usually go up in 5s. You see an increment change. Increment change. You've got no more on that one, so it's obviously doing nothing after that, so you want to come back. So there's a change, so we're going to come back up. Here we go. There's your maximum PWM. Set that and you're locked in. Come back, come out. Just check those settings. They're all locked in, ready to go.